Hi. So I broke the brakes on my Surron. I'll show you how. I noticed that they had a little bit less brake power, and my smartass thought it was connected with a cable. So as a bike, when you see this, you can unscrew it, and thus you make the cable shorter. And you'll have more braking power. Most of you will know that this is an oil brake. That was a big mistake because it started leaking oil. As soon as I saw that, I closed it again and I had no braking power anymore. So on this video, I will fix my brakes. So I bought this bleeding set off of Amazon. I will share the link below. So what do we got? We got a lot of parts. I'm not gonna name them all. We actually only need a few parts of it, so let's start. Zoobidoobo. Now an important step is to make sure that the brakes are locked. So we put this here. You can put an elastic around it. I'm just going to put the screw through because it fits. Why not? So that's kind of prepared here. Before we open it up, let's loosen the other side the same way. I have opened these ones, so I'm pretty sure there's air in the chamber. That's why once the tube is connected, I will turn it back in the other direction. I will turn it so that all the air can really get out. Should be kind of good right now. Maybe we can already open up, see what happens when we squeeze. Just see. So yeah, well. So let's start doing this. Let's just push. Yes, it's coming out. I see some air bubbles coming out. Ooh, I see a lot of air bubbles coming out. That's good, that's the effect we want. So much air coming out. And now the air stopped. It was a lot. I do really want to shake things up. That way more air came out. Do you see that? Jesus. Okay, let's try that one more time. All the bubbles are out because I'm expecting a lot now. Yeah, see, bubbles. It's not that much. That's good. That means what I'm doing good. Ooh, interesting. So I start pulling, and I'm pulling out air as well. Now I've seen reviews that you have to be careful pulling air out with pulling on your brake tubes. So I will push back. I really think I did a good step going back and forth. Let's do this 1 or 2 times more, and then I suggest that I just close it all up. There is actual dirt here on the bottom, which means that yeah, there really is dirt in this oil. Oh, it's not strange as well because it is a new product, it's new metal, so it leaves dirt and it still has oil from manufacture and all of that. But okay, let's take new oil. Okay. Before that was more handy. Okay, so now everything open again. Let's try this one more time. Let's just bring clean. Okay, let's pull out a little bit. See if there's still a lot of dirt in it. When the dirt starts coming, I'll stop. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so looks like we have clean. We're going to bring clean oil into these pipes. Just gonna do a whole tube again. I think that's plenty. Okay, I would say we're done. Let's just fuck. That really sucks. Yeah, I'm not surprised that happened. Okay, again a little bit. Should bring the last, yeah, voila. Well out, and we're done. Good, now. Okay, ooh, this is running hard. That should do it. We've lost a lot of brake fluid here, but that shouldn't be a problem. Let's just okay. Now we do this. We bring the rest of the brake fluid calmly into container. Yeah, you can fall now. Okay, normally that's not a problem anymore. Oof. This is nothing, you know. It's let's take the brake up. Make sure it's good straight. Okay, I think we're at the end of this adventure. Just careful now. Okay, so normally that should be it. Now all I have to do is close everything properly. Okay, so this one is closed. And this one will be closed. Okay, let's see if it works. And there is way more grip now. Okay, there we go. So when you put this back, you have to align the brakes again. So you need enough light to be able to look between. I think you can also put, what is it, shovels in between, but